Probably I just exceeded the limit of what the brakes could do.
User error. We know this.
That's my bad. Because they've been fine on that second session, so...
Did you just turn the traction control off?
Only half of it. It's not fully off.
I'm scared.
It's getting warmer out there as well.
Yeah, 7 degrees now.
Do you get tyre temperatures like John does in the M4?
No, I don't think I do. Just oil and water temperature. The water's...
I gotta say, following you from John's car, that first session, Lewis, this thing looked like it was moving.
It was.
Yeah, it felt it. And what, I mean, it amazed me how little difference there seemed to be in straight line pace. When was this built?
2013.
And when was his M4 CS?
2018.
So 5 years separates them.
And he's turbocharged.
Turbocharged, naturally aspirated. Okay, you got 50% more capacity.
But I've got...
And you've got more weight, 200 kilos?
Yeah, I'm 1.8.
And yet on the straight, yeah. And he was taking it right to the red line before he shifted. It's not like he was short.
But I think the thing is,
I was stunned.
It's just hooks and goes. There's no wheel slip. There's nothing.
No. And I think
he's drama.
He's naturally nervous because that's rear wheel drive. But the way you were putting this into the corners and then watching it honestly dance about a bit as it went through.
I was offline a couple of times. I wasn't quite perfect.
I don't care. It looked good.
Yeah, it did.
It looked good.
But I think generally my line was okay. I think John.
Don't worry about the line, mate. Don't worry about the line.
I'm not
Just feel the car under you and enjoy it. It's,
I am going to have to go ESP fully off at some point.
Well, maybe later.
But it's probably not. This probably isn't the track for that. But you'll see in a minute. Yeah.
I can't wait until we get to Donington and we can pair up.
It's going to be good. I think it's heat soaking the pad and the caliper that's been the problem.
But you've got RBF 600 in it.
Yeah, I have.
And that's recent.
Yeah, January, end of Jan. I wonder if it's the pads. But they're not undrivable.
They wouldn't become compressible to the extent that the pedal goes to the floor.
No. Well, I don't know. There's so much heat coming out of them.
Do you have any more give in the pedal right now than you did earlier, or is it firm and it's there? You have a bit of give? Yeah, it's just a little bit softer than it would be normally. It's possible that you have just heated them and...
But like you'll see here, they're biting.
Yeah, okay, yeah, you're stopping the car, it's fine.
Look, it just... That's like pretty much flat there, yeah.
And that's only 6k.
Yeah, I haven't come through here flat yet.
No, I'm not surprised. Don't, please. Bloody hell, Lewis. This is meant to be a warm-up now.
Oh, yeah. It's because you're in the car and showing off.
Okay, I'm hearing a bit of grumbling from them.
Yeah,
Are you feeling anything through the pedal?
Not really. They grumbled when I first came out. There's a bit of vibration.
Oh, it sounds good on the downshift.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? And this is in sports automatic.
That was. Oh, you're not shifting manually?
No, I'm just letting the car do it. And she seems to be coping okay.
Bloody hell. Wow, okay. No wonder John was having trouble.
Yeah. Well, good tyres, Quattro.
Okay, you left about 1.5 meters at the edge there. Don't do that again.
Yes, boss.
Use it. Unwind.
So I'm easing off here to try and protect the brakes.
No, exactly. Do that. Maybe actually start pressing the pedal a bit sooner because you're still having to go harder there. And you're going to have to accept that John's going to go past you. Bloody hell, Lewis.
That was a bit quick. I don't think he will. I think
you've got a lot of grip. You're taking advantage of your four-wheel drive, aren't you?
Yeah.
You know where he can't put his foot down, so you're making sure you do.
But this is the problem. Now he's chasing. Now he's chasing me.
Yeah, and it's carbon ceramics.
I'm going quicker, and then that's. It's all right. We'll just adjust that on the throttle.
No, that's.
See, this is because
he's gaining on you a bit now.
Yeah, I've got to let him pass.
No, I know. No, wait until the 11th straight.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. Because I'm going to have to do the latest.
I've got to say, I'm stunned. I thought a state car is going to be compromised.
Well, it is on the brakes, I think.
Well,
but not massively so.
But no, it's the grip and the way it holds on
is I put
a lot of lateral grip.
A lot of distance between John when I do this.
Oh, what? And then you accelerate and you get on it now. Oh, you feel it skipping.
Yeah.
Why isn't Mr. DC5 letting everyone go?
I have no idea.
Oh, for goodness sake.
But John thinks I'm letting him go and I'm not. So he needs to... That's what annoys me with John.
Now he's indicating.
Oh my gosh.
He indicates as we get to the braking zone. Nice one. Mind you, could be his first day.
Yeah. I don't like the fact that John thought that was an indication when I was just coming to the racing line. Never mind.
So that minute's quick, eh? If it's gone past the DC5.
Yeah.
That Lotus is no slouch. He got blown for noise earlier, I think.
Yeah. This Lotus doesn't know we're here. He did this on the other session, but I think he's shitting himself because he hasn't got any traction control because his ABS sensor's broken.
Oh, okay. Go, punch. Is he gonna?
No, he doesn't know we're here.
Is he not?
Nope.
How can he not know we're here?
Because he's panicking. Misjudged what he was doing.
Right. Yeah, you're following him rather than
I need to get away from him.
Right, he should let you go now.
Yeah.
So go. Go.
But
he's got no idea you're
doesn't
here.
know I'm here.
Flash your headlight. I would get on your headlights.
No, I don't like doing that because...
Well, he's not.
It's aggressive. Hopefully they're sort of...
No, but they don't say faster car. There's no flag for it, is there?
No, not here.
The only way you're going to get past this guy is if you manage it. Or manage him.
Yeah,
Because he's not paying attention. He's refusing to accept. I'd go main beam right now. Finally, now he sees. Absolutely. John's come past as well. Good.
Yeah, I'm going to let John pass in a sec.
Your parking ticket's just...
Yeah. I might just let him on a 11 straight. Shall we make him work for it?
Yeah, make him work for it.
He's found his pace now. I don't think...
I know. I think he's found his mojo. That first session, that was hilarious.
Oh, yeah.
It was so good.
This Mini's quick.
It's no slouch, is it?
No.
How's the pedal now?
Yeah, good.
I'm amazed how quickly and how hard you can get on the power when you're loaded.
Yeah. Look at the gap I just put between me and John.
Oh, what? Through there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he's rotating on the way in there. That
Nice.
Mini.
I think we are slightly.
No, that's what it looked like. Let John go and do the Mini.
I've got the Golf R as well.
Oh, the Golf R is on John. How funny. Let's watch them. Are you going to get past the Mini as well? No, you're not.
No, I won't.
Ah, that's a shame.
Yeah, real shame.
After the chicane, though.
God, John, oh my God, look at how fast John went through there. He was braking all the way up to here.
Yeah, but you guys can do that without having to worry about unbalancing the car with your downshifts. See, where's that Elise that was holding everyone up?
Behind us, he's just come out of the chicane.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's his first time here, Mark.
Oh,
so,
is it? Okay.
Yeah, I was having a chat with him. I think he...
I just, the lack of awareness, I find flabbergasting.
Yeah, it's because they're busy looking out the front, isn't it? Oh, that's the indication
that's
there.
An indication.
Don't really want to do that here.
No, you could get in there, yeah.
Now they're stuck in traffic.
Okay, whatever you can do through here, they're going to come back to you a bit. I love the way this just moves at me.
might need to calm it down.
Yeah, don't kill your brakes again.
No, and I think the traction control's playing and coming in as well.
Where does the warning light come up?
It's not, I can just feel it holding.
Oh, okay.
Holding.
Well, I'm hearing the tyres, so they should
Yeah,
work
good.
it there.
Well, they're gapping us now, aren't they? Yeah, they're getting a bit soft, so I think we'll just ease it off now. Not get involved in that little tussle.
Fair enough. We've just done about 4 or 5
Yeah,
hard laps.
I did more than I wanted to because John.
Because John.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gone a little bit soft.
This thing.
They're still there.
It's alright. Requires a bit of management, but
Yeah.
so what do you think the solution is for the brakes? Is it just not braking as hard? You can't, or are you chasing diminishing returns? You'd need super expensive pads and, you know, lines and all sorts.
I think there is a pad. There is a different pad I'd like to try. There's a Mintex M155 that's recommended.
Really?
Or
I've never had
Frodo DS 2.5s, but the thing is, it's a heavy car.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Yeah, you end up spending more and more and more, and it doesn't really improve it a great deal.
Yeah. I just think for 300 quid for a set of blue stuffs. If
That's
I can
round, isn't it?
Yeah, if I can get today and Donington out of this set, which I think is a big ask, then it might be okay. Or do I just?
Well, you don't really wear them out on the road, do you? Because you don't really brake that much on the road.
I think I'll just make a decision before Donington.
I reckon these will be fine for Donington.
Yeah. Well,
you maybe want to decide what you're going to replace them with after Donington.
Yeah.
But take them with you just in case.
Well,
so buy them before and take them with you just in case.
I can't change them. I'd need to plug the car in to get the rear pads changed.
Why?
Because they're an electronic handbrake.
Really?
So yeah, it's the same.
But the rears aren't really that much of a concern, are they?
No.
You just need good pads up front, which you can do in the pits.
Yeah.
With some begged, stolen or borrowed tools.
Yeah.
John is gone, isn't he?
Yeah, but we've essentially slowed right down.
No, I know.
The latest has come back to us now. So we need to deal with this. I think I'll keep that Mini in front of us because he's pretty quick in the corners.
Yeah. So is the Elise now showing some frustration that you're not letting him past?
No, he's okay. He's just caught up with us, but we can put distance between them.
These two Minis.
Yeah. Is one of them on hards?
No, I don't think so.
You feel the wind's buffeting the car through there.
Yeah, are you feeling the wind?
Yeah.
When you're at high speed?
Yeah. Especially through Ford water.
Got a really low cloud up there, look.
Yeah, and it's gone dark. Yeah, the latest pissing me off now. Taste of his own medicine, though.
That's what I was thinking.
I think he's trying to.
He's not going to overtake here, is he?
He's trying it.
Seriously?
Yep.
He's just doing exactly the same as he was. There we go.
Yeah, but look at the gap in. Flag now.
Does look like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So, whereas I was thinking I was going to be getting it saying, come on Lewis, drive harder, it was actually more like,
slow down.
Fuck?
Yeah.
That was good. good. I am so impressed with this car. I didn't think it'd be anything like this. I don't know what I expected. I mean, it's a family estate.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Oh, I know. It's an impressive bit of kit, isn't it?
What's your MPG?
Oh, it was 7.9. 7.8 is the average for today.
Good work.
So the oil temp's only gone to about 110 degrees, which is fine. The car's cooling itself quite nicely. And the coolant stayed around 90 to 100, so...
I'm so impressed with this.
She's obviously...
I can't wait for it.
Oh yeah, it'd be good.
I want to make a video in this as well on the road.
Yeah, sure.
So let me do that.
Yeah, you're welcome to.
I have so much respect for this car now. That
yeah, it's good, isn't it?
I was always dismissive of it. It's Audi, understeery, estate car.
Yeah.
No,
I've had less understeer in this than I have in the M140i and the 330.
Don't say that, Reg.
Yeah, I know, but Reg
he won't be happy.